Nuh-uh.
So cute.
Wait, that is cool. I was not expecting that.
I'm so excited. I don't even know what to do. So Sarah's making her Christmas list.
It's going great. I love it.
Hey Rod, and welcome to it. I'm Julia if you're new here. So happy to have you here. But currently, we are parked in my parents' driveway because we are going to be surprising my little sister with her own iMac today, and I am incredibly excited. She has no clue. Anyways, she's currently a senior in high school, and she's been working so hard lately. She also does YouTube, so I think this will be really helpful for her to be able to edit with as well. She does have a MacBook, but I think having the new M4 chip on this pink iMac is going to be so helpful for her and her channel. She also did come with me as my +1 to the Apple experience out in Los Angeles this past week, so she did get to see the iMacs already, and when I first showed her when they announced the pink colors, she was like, oh my gosh, that's so pretty, and she was obsessed with it. So here we are today. I have it in the trunk. I need to run in and set it up. I think I want to put it on her desk in her bedroom and put a bow on it, so let's go in and try and do that really quickly. I think she's literally gonna be home in like 10 minutes, so we need to be fast. Okay, I just got up into her room, and I think I'm gonna take it out of this box so that you can actually see the iMac, so she's not like confused at first or know what it is somehow just from the box. So let's do that. It's so pretty. She's going to love it. Except now I have this massive box I need to hide somewhere. Might put it in our other sister's room across the hall. Don't let me forget that. Okay guys, should we do this side or the other side? I think that one's pretty. Okay, and then I threw a bunch of different types of ribbon in my bag that I had just lying around the house. That one, this one, red, this one. I love this one. Just don't know if I have enough, but you know what, we're gonna try that one first. Oh, wow, okay, there's plenty. Oh shoot, there's so much. Okay, now I need scissors. Cute. Can't decide if I should leave the, yeah, I should probably cut them. Never mind. Decision made. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, she has no idea, and I know she's going to love it, so I'm really excited. I think she's on her way home now. Let me double check. Amazing. Now, I do have two younger sisters, so Sarah, the one we're surprising today, and then Emily. And Emily, I did give an iPad for college, so she has gotten something before, don't worry. But also, since Sarah is going to be going into college, she'll be in her freshman year. I'm not sure if she'll choose to take this with her in her dorm when she lives in the dorm, just because it takes up a lot of space. And when you're in a dorm, space is like very important. So if she leaves it here, then Emily will borrow it because Emily will be back home. She's gonna live at home for a little bit after she graduates this spring. So it should work out perfect to where they'll both be able to use it and enjoy it. So I'm really excited. I love surprises, so I just can't wait. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna go down, wait for her, and then we'll come back up for the surprise. I think my mom just got home. She knows that I'm doing this. So she's in on it. It's fun. Okay, if any of you have followed me for a while, does this space look familiar? So we're at my parents' house, obviously, because Sarah still lives at home. She's in high school. And this is where I started my unboxing. So my first ever MacBook unboxing was at this table with this background. They've shifted the table a little, so it is a different orientation, but it's the same place, so isn't that kind of fun? And I don't know if Sarah's going to do an unboxing, so we'll see. But I am going to teach her some of my favorite Mac tips after she unboxes it and sets it all up. So that'll be coming soon after the surprise, because I feel like there are a lot of things when you first get a Mac to set up to make your experience awesome that you just need to know. So exciting stuff. I think she's almost here, so let's go ahead and get into the surprise. Okay, I'm putting this on you.
Oh, on? I can't hold it?
No, because you're gonna have to do other things.
I'm scared.
All right, let's go upstairs.
Does mom know about it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm scared. Hopefully my room is clean. Nuh-uh. No way. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous.
No way. Yes way. Oh. Nuh-uh. Are you so excited?
I'm like shocked. Is this for me?
Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. In the phone? It's so cute.
I don't even know what to say. I'm like speechless. Oh
my gosh. So are you gonna do an unboxing?
Yeah? Oh my gosh.
What they want.
Oh. Now what? Like now what do I do with it? Like, so pretty. I don't even want to take it out of the box.
So
backstory? Like, I'm really confused.
Well, remember when we went and saw them in California?
Yeah.
And you were obsessed with the pink?
Yes.
And now here it is.
I mean, it's gorgeous and it's pink too. Like, oh, it's the pink one. I can edit on it.
Yeah.
It'll be so much easier. Do you edit on this or your MacBook?
I do both, but your MacBook is kind of older, so this will be much faster to edit on.
Wow. I'm so excited. Why did I have a feeling?
You did?
No, when I walked up the stairs, I'm like, it's gotta be something good.
Pink iPad?
Wow.
Yay!
I'm so excited.
Okay.
Now what? Like, what do I do with it? And I don't even want to take it out. Like, I might just leave it.
Just leave it like, I know, I said I want to frame the box in my office.
Do you have one?
Yes. We're twins.
So cute. I'm so excited. I don't even know what to do.
Okay guys, we're filming an unboxing. I'm helping her a little. So exciting. So Sarah does YouTube as well, and she's gonna post this unboxing on her channel, so make sure you go watch it. I'll link it below once she posts it. So exciting. But let's get to work. Okay, you can go whenever.
Okay.
Now you should do like your, hey everybody.
Okay.
I'm Sarah.
Do you have this difficulty unboxing it? I know what. Like, I don't even know what to do.
You turn it on.
Go again. Here we go again.
So Sarah's going to do the setup really quick.
We send a message. Set a timer for 3 minutes.
Hello.
It's just crazy to me that there's no like box. That's it.
Oh yeah, it's always just this. It's awesome. It's stunning.
So cute.
The whole production in here. What are you gonna do first?
I don't know. I don't even know what to do.
Hello.
Hello.
How's it going? How are you liking the new iMac?
Going great. I love it. Oh, this is crazy. Like the camera.
Yeah, when it moves.
It follows you.
Okay, can I come over and share some of my favorite Mac tips with you?
Yes, of course.
Let's do it! Okay, first we're going to do just a really quick customization, starting off with changing the wallpaper. Okay, so basically what you do is you find a photo that you want to use for your background. I usually go to Pinterest, so Sarah already picked one out. Then you're going to right click on the icon, and at the very bottom click Set Desktop Picture. Beautiful! Okay, next you make some folders to add to your desktop to hold your files. So go ahead and make some that you think, maybe like school, work. You do this by right-clicking on your desktop and at the top clicking New Folder, and just make as many as you wish. But obviously, they're kind of ruining the vibes here, so we're gonna make them cute. So what we're going to do is look up a folder icon online. Okay, now you can find these usually online on Pinterest or just anywhere if you make sure it's a PNG file. But I also have some that you can download on my website, so you'll scroll down and click folder icons. That's cute, a little bow. So now what you'll do is once you have your icons, you will double click and open one up. Then you're going to click Command A on your keyboard. It's going to select it, and then click Command C on your keyboard to copy it. Then we're going to go to the folder and right click on whichever folder you want to use it on, and then you'll click Get Info. And then you're going to click the very small folder in the top left corner and highlight that. Oh, yep. And then you'll click Command V on your keyboard. Oh, it's so cute.
That was simple.
Okay, and then you'll do the same thing with any other icons that you wanted for your other folders. Okay, something that I love to do is have a sticky note on my Mac for just last minute things I need to jot down. So you'll go down to your Launchpad and click on that. It's usually hiding in the other folder, so if you click Other and then Stickies, you can add one, but we're gonna close out those. So there's your blank one, and then you can actually choose the color. The pink would be cute. Aww.
This is so cute.
And if you want to change the font of the sticky note, you'll just select your text and click Font at the top and Show Fonts, and then you get the whole menu here to actually make it cute. Okay, and we can also now add widgets to our MacBook screen. So we're going to add a few. All you do to access your widgets is right-click anywhere on the screen, and then there is Edit Widgets, the fourth one down. You can see all these different options. I usually like to go and add a reminder. You can look through and see if there's any others you like there's a clock one that's kind of cute. What's the canvas options in your grades? Let's make this cute first. Click on reminders. We're gonna make a new list because what is that? All right, so once your list is created, you're going to right click on your widget and then click edit reminders. And then here you'll be able to select if you click on that, you can select your to-do list that you just made and click done. And here it is, it's so cute! Alright, there are many new features with the latest Mac software, so I want to show you some of my favorites, starting with iPhone mirroring. If you didn't know, you can display your phone and use your phone from your Mac. So let's try it out with Sarah for the first time. So you'll need to make sure you have your Mac updated to macOS Sonoma, and then your iPhone also has to be updated to iOS 18. So you can check those in your settings by going to Settings, General, and then Software Update, and that's where you'll be able to see all that. Once you're updated, you should see this new app in your dock, and you can click on that. It's called iPhone mirroring. So it's giving us a little tutorial about it. It should walk you through, but I'll walk you through as well. First up, you need to unlock your phone. So when your phone is nearby, you can use it from the desktop. So get started. Now, you will need to have your phone turned off and off to the side. And first, it's having us log into your Mac. So now it says connecting iPhone 13 Pro Max. You have to type in your password a few times just to authenticate everything, but here it is. How fun is that? Click down there to get back to your home.
Wait, that is cool. I was not expecting that.
So I like to scroll Instagram or TikTok, or you can even post to your Instagram. This is great for creators if you edit on like CapCut on your phone. You can check your Heyday Farm.
Might just do that.
Or you can watch TV, anything. So you can do this on MacBooks as well. It doesn't have to be the desktop. It's a really cool feature. What do you think, Sarah?
I love it. This is cool. I'll definitely do this.
Wow. What are you doing right now?
Oh, just getting some inspo. You can look at my grades.
You can check your grades. Wow, look at you.
Wait, I can watch TikTok on here?
You're gonna be here all day.
Yeah.
It's kind of fun, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
So Sarah's making her Christmas list.
It's never too early.
Kind of a fun thing. Wow.
That is so cool. I was not expecting it to do all that.
Well, everybody, hopefully you enjoyed these tips. Congrats if you are getting a new iMac. So exciting! I know Sarah's going to put, well, great use into this, so.
Yes.
Comment this emoji if you made it to the end. Don't forget to go watch her unboxing over on her YouTube channel. I'll link the video below. And that's all. Thanks, bye!